Hi guys, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create these simple sketchy line effects. For this tutorial, I'm using this photo. The link of it is in descriptions, but if you want, you can use your image. So at first, I create a solid color layer and choose a dark color for it. And then create a duplication of the image by pressing Ctrl J and bring it up, and then create a new layer above the solid color layer. Now turn off this layer. For creating sketchy lines, it's better to use digital pen, but if you don't have digital pen, don't worry, you can use your mouse as well. I explain both of them. Select the brush tool by pressing B. If you are using digital pen, make sure the smoothing value is 0%. But if you are using mouse, make sure its value is 10%. And then choose hard round brush. The size of brush depends on the resolution of your image. For my image, it's better to use 10 pixels. And I'm choosing white color for it. It's no matter. Okay, now I'm start sketching from bottom right to top left corner. Don't try to be very accurate in this stage. Now I create a new group and move this layer to this group. Now I turn on this image and clip it to the lower group. Okay, now I feel my sketch lines has a low density. For increase it, you can simply duplicate these layers. Select it and press Ctrl J and move it a bit. I repeat this stage again. Next, I select the above layer and go to the adjustment menus and choose black and white. Now I select the above image and the group and scale them down by pressing Ctrl T and move them a little up. Now I'm select the text tool and click here and type my text. I'm select the move tool and align it at the center. At last, you can create a soft gradient at the bottom. Choose the brush tool by pressing the B key and choose soft round brush. Set its color a little bit lighter than the background. Increase the size and make a stroke here. Okay guys, our work is finished. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please like this video if you enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe this channel because I'm creating so many videos about graphic, Photoshop and digital art. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Again, thank you so much.